You all know I couldn't do a luxury skincare haul without La Mer, right? No way, duh. I bought something from chanel.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with luxury beauty products and things. You guys, in today's haul, I have a haul for you. It was the end of the year haul and I just bought a couple things that my little heart desired and I'm gonna share them with you guys. So get ready. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. I'm always talking about luxury skincare items that actually work and make a difference for your skin. So follow me, subscribe to me, come on my journey so we can all experience the excitement of luxury beauty together. So I did a little Sephora moment. So they both came in the mail today. So I'm gonna show you guys what I quick ordered from Sephora. And you guys, let me just be honest with you. I have to maintain my Sephora Rouge status. Like you have to spend a certain amount of money a year. And for some reason, I just didn't, I got all of my luxury beauty things at like Nordstrom. So usually it's like piles and piles of La Mer that I buy through Sephora. So I was almost gonna lose my Rouge status. So I quick bought a couple products that I needed and I just splurged. It was just like an excuse. So product number one, oh my God. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's just start with product number one. It is the Treatment Enzyme Peel Cleansing Powder by AMOREPACIFIC right here. You guys, I'm new to this brand. I know it's a luxury brand. I know it's kind of like an up-and-coming luxury brand. It's very famous and popular, but I don't have anything by them. So I do love enzyme peels. I think they do occasionally help my skin. So when I saw this, I was like, you know what? I want to try it. It's a cleansing powder. It's unique, and I think it's something fun that we can use together. I don't anticipate using this every day, but I think this is going to be a fun little moment in the AMOREPACIFIC world, and if it quakes me, well, guess what? We'll buy more, and we'll try them together. Next, you know what? I forgot I ordered some of these products, and now I'm like stoked. I ordered the Dioraddict lip gloss in the color Shock 465. You guys, I wanted to buy this in store and they didn't have it in stock. So I was like, you know what? I'll just order it. So I ordered it along with this lovely luxury haul, but I just want to open it. Dior's packaging is insane. Look at this lip balm. How beautiful. Like it's mind-blowing beautiful. Like the color is called Shock. I gotta open it. I have got to, like, I just love the packaging. Dior always had this gorgeous packaging for their lipsticks and lip balms. We're gonna open it. It's definitely like a gloss, like a shimmer. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Do you guys see that? I am blown away. Hold on, I'm obsessed. Wow. Okay, this is going in my Dior, my Lady Dior pouchette for sure. This is phenomenal. I'm obsessed. If I was to ever be a lip gloss, I would look like this. Not even kidding. You all know I couldn't do a luxury skincare haul without La Mer, right? No way, duh. So I ordered the Radiant SkinTint Broad Spectrum SPF 30. One of you guys questioned in my comments if I don't do any SPF videos. And I was like, you know what? You're right. I honestly have just been using Supergoop SPF sunscreen. And then I also love there's a Lancome high resolution sunscreen that I like. And to be honest with you, even when I wear my La Mer long fluid foundation, there's SPF 30 in that. So that's all I've really been using. But then it really hit me. I was like, I should do more SPFs. And you know what? I need a good skin tint moment because no one really quakes me, but you know what? I just went straight to the source and I just said, you know what? Party's over. La Mer, just come in and blow me away. And I know they're gonna do that. I got it in, I'll open it with you guys. Hold on. I got it in light 22 because my foundations are so dark. They're the wrong colors for me. I got them in the summertime and they're so expensive that it's like once you buy one, you kind of have to be committed because they're $125. So their Skin Color de La Mer comes in white in light 22 in the La Mer packaging. We're obsessed. And voila. Look at this, how gorge. Is this not gorge? I'm gonna pop it open on my own, I think, or we could save this for another video. Let me know if you want an independent video of me trying this for the first time. The Radiant Skin Tint Broad Spectrum. Ooh, girl, 1.4 fluid ounces. Okay, we're obsessed. Next, the powder. Duh, the powder. I had to buy the powder. You guys, how could I not buy the powder by La Mer? I have the $95 application brush. I have the $125 soft fluid foundation. So what did I need next? I needed the powder. You guys, I was like, what? I think this was like $85 to $95. I was like, what could be in this powder that's gonna be so amazing that I'm gonna be shook? I still don't know. This has great reviews. They say it's moisturizing. I don't know. Of course, all La Mer products are infused with their coveted and loved Miracle Broth. So I'm honestly just curious how you infuse powder with Miracle Broth. And you know what? I'm gonna be a tough critic on this one with La Mer because I just wanna make sure that they're as good as they say they are. Do you know what I mean? Like, even though we love La Mer, we still gotta check La Mer every now and then and just see if they're as amazing as, like, I already know they are, but I feel like the test is going to be in this crazy powder because, like, it's a powder. You know what I mean? So, I'm very excited to try this. I cannot wait. That's gonna be a good first impression video. Okay, so the grand finale, and I'm a little shook. I bought something from chanel.com, and you guys, I just want to show you what it came in. Like, this is chanel.com ordered. This is the packaging it came in. Once you guys see what I ordered, you're gonna be like, okay, I'm even curious. So it's wrapped like this. You guys, they went all out. Okay, if you want to get a luxury delivery experience, you got to order from chanel.com. Look at this. So I'm ready to open this masterpiece. This is packaging that you keep too, like, So when you see white Chanel boxes, that means it's like a cosmetic or a perfume. Just FYI, if you see an all black Chanel box, that means you got like a bag or like shoes or a piece of fashion. This is more geared towards their beauty. Just FYI, because I know I see a lot of people trying to pull a fast one on us. When you see white Chanel packaging, my God, they went all out. Look at this. So in it, there's this gorgeous Chanel tissue paper. Say it in the stars, scan the code below to unlock a celestial experience and send special messages to your loved ones. Stay in the stars. Okay, we love this little letter. We're gonna do that, Chanel, thank you. And let's just pop this open because this is extra for what I ordered. This is extra. I mean, Chanel.com did the damn thing. And I got free 2-day shipping. And they were right, it was at my doorstep. Okay. All right, so here's the inside. Okay, so here's the products that I got. So, are you ready for what I bought? Le Coton by Chanel. I don't know if I told you guys this, but Chanel has cotton balls, cotton pads. I'm not even kidding, Chanel cotton pads. So, they were sold out immediately, so I waited, and once they came in stock, I was like, I need these in my life. Like, I don't care, I need these Chanel cotton pads in my life. And that's what they sent me. All that for cotton pads. All I'm saying is I know everyone buys like luxury things from like Sephora or some Ulta, Macy's, like, but if you really, like if you're buying a fragrance for them or a piece of beauty products, of course fashion, but don't be afraid to order off online because this whole thing was worth the experience. And let me tell you something, these cotton pads were $20. $20, and look what I got. Okay, if you want to make someone feel special and give them an experience on, like, don't be afraid to order online because I am blown away. So, here's the box. I'm curious to see what these Chanel cotton pads look like because you guys know I'm extra. We're opening. Okay. More tissue paper, more, oh my God, they're all in this box. they're covered with this, and then here's the cotton pads. Oh, so they're in a box. I've never seen, oh my God, they're so soft. Are you kidding me? Look at that. They are literal cotton pads with the Chanel symbol on it. I think I paid for the packaging more than I paid for the product. Jeez, I don't want to drop the $20 cotton pads. This was an experience. Are they soft? They're soft. They feel nice. They feel luxe. I feel like the packaging was worth more than the actual product. But I love it so much. Chanel cotton pads, you guys. I mean, it's gorge. It's gorge. For $20, you can't beat it. Well, let me know what you guys think of my little Chanel experience just now. Let me know what you guys think of $20 cotton pads. Listen, Shiseido kind of started it. Shiseido started selling cotton pads, I believe, for $12 a box, and I bought those and I enjoyed them, but Chanel has taken it to a new level and gave us Chanel stamped cotton pads for $20. Do I feel like this is extra? Yes. Do I feel like this is luxe? Yes. Do I feel like this is necessary? Absolutely not. But if you want Chanel cotton pads, here they are, okay? And if you order them offline, you know what you're gonna get. And I will let you guys know how these work throughout my next couple videos because I'll be using these more. Who knows, there might be something extra special about them. You never know. All right, you guys, thanks so much for tuning in. This was a really fun video. I hope you enjoyed all of my products, La Mer, Chanel, Dior. You can't beat it. Love you guys. Stay tuned. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe for more fun videos like this. Subscribe if you want to just have a good time, even if you don't want to buy these products and you think they're ridiculous. I at least try them and test them out for you guys to keep you guys in the know. And honestly, this is so much fun for all of us. So join the party, join the club. We're having a blast. Follow me on Instagram. I'm always giving you guys updates on products that I'm using, buying. Super active in my stories if you want to know more about my personal life. And I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.